Hi, I'm Scotty. Welcome back to Scotty's Clock World. I upload new videos Sunday and Wednesday of every week. And then turn the movement over again. Whoa, that is going to be fun. I might have to take I don't think I'm going to be able to get at the fourth screw down there that's holding the movement in. I might have to take the music box out with those two screws there. I'll just check and see what we've got. Yeah, that's meshed in there. Alright, well, I'll undo those couple of screws. We'll take the music box out first. The screws and the washers are pretty rusty, so larger screwdriver to the rescue. So we'll tidy them up before we put them back in. A few turns on that one and a few turns on that one, and we can have a look and see what the effect is in here. Yep, that's coming off. Alright, I'll take those out and screw them right through. Being careful of that fine piece of wood in behind the music box there that removes it from the side of the wall a little bit, so we don't break it. It's looking pretty dry. Alright, that's the first one. Back onto the second one. And get a grip, not quite there yet, on the music box. It should now just slide out. Screws are gone. There's our piece of wood that was behind it as a spacer. Now we'll see what we've got here in relation to getting our music box out. And there it is there. Pretty dusty, we'll have to clean that up, but it should be turning. That arresting arm is out of that little hole there, so it should be turning around. There's no resistance on the fan. We got over the back here, those gears seem to be alright, but we'll have a look and see. Alright, now we can get down to the business of removing the movement with 4 screws. Top one up here. See if we can get that out with a pair of tweezers. Should be. There we go, first one. Over the top up here now. Unscrew that. There we go, came out at the end of the screwdriver. Obviously a little bit of magnetism there somewhere down the line. The next one, over here, wind it out, collect the screw. Whoop, dropped him. There we go. And the fourth one, which is over here. The slot in that screw, that seems to have it. Twist him round, out it comes. Alright, now being a bit on the careful side, because we don't want to hurt the little bird, but a set of platform dancers. Oh, there we go, that's got him. Oh, a bit nervous. There's our movement. Another GM engine. Alright, we'll get round to checking that in a minute, but we'll take the chains out first. Put that on the desk. Undo the knots in the chains so we can pull them through. They're not too badly knotted considering. Getting right down towards towards the end there. There's a bit of a knot there, but that coming over to there, and those two there. Right, so we've now got a couple of stop rings to take off, so we'll remove those. Then we'll have a look and assess where we are. I'll take that link off, put it over there. Now the next one, grip on the link with a pair of pliers, another pair of pliers, grip the other end, open them up, take the stop ring out, then remove that link. Now we can pull the chain through. Here we go. Put the case over there for the moment, and then we can start to investigate what's happening here. Everything seems to be pretty well frozen. Nothing's moving. All right. I'll leave that sitting there for a moment. I'll clean up the mess I've got here on the desk, work out what I've got to save and what I'm not, and then I'll come back. Right, I'm cleaning up the bench a bit so we can see what we're doing. It's a GM Angem music box clock. That's where the parts are going to go. I've got them in their own little bags. They all have their names written on them, so we know exactly what they are. The hooks, music box parts, movement screws. We'll clean them up before they go back in. Broken hands, we'll need another set of those, but I've got those. And the pipe screws. And the two pipes, left and right. And there they are. There's our box of goodies from the clock so far. Right, now we need to find out what the story is with these chains, why they're not, why the movement seems to be solid. Get them sorted out. We can pull them through. Then we'll be able to start working on the movement.